What's up guys, I'm Sean. Today we're going to talk about wheel setup and fitment on my E46 M3 track car. So I'm currently running Apex Arc 8 wheels, Hyper Black, 18 by 9.5, ET35 square, front and back, so the front and rears are the same. And I'm running Nitto NTO1 tires, 275/35 square. So the front, I'm running an 8mm spacer to clear my O-ring shock body because the O-rings are really fat. And I'm running -3.5 degree camber in the front and 0 toe. And I trimmed the inside of the fender a little bit for clearance, and I rolled the fender as well. So this is how it looks. And on the rear, I'm running a 12.5mm spacer, and I rolled the fender as well. And I trimmed a little bit in here where the bumper meets the fender for the clearance. So I'm running spacer in the rear just to make it look better and for the wider track. So the Apex wheels have been good on track, but now it's time for a new setup. So these are the new forged wheels I just picked up from BimmerWorld, 18 by 10 ET25 square. Let's check them out. Here it is, BimmerWorld 18 by 10 ET25 square, gunmetal color, technical alloy, forged wheels. So forged wheels are going to be stronger on track. That's the main reason why I went with these. In 18 by 10, they weigh less than 19 pounds, which is really light. Another thing I like is that the wheels have these grooves inside of the rim. So when you're running slicks or all compound tires, under hard braking, the tires can actually slip with inside the wheel. So having these grooves are going to minimize that slippage. And if you look at some of these 1,000 horsepower drag cars, the rims actually drill into the tires, so the rim doesn't slip inside of the tire. So that's the theory behind these little grooves. I don't think the tires are going to slip under acceleration, but under hard braking with all compounds or slicks, this little groove is going to minimize some of that tire slippage. Here are the wheels side by side, the BimmerWorld wheels, gunmetal, Apex Arc 8, Hyper Black. So let's head to the shop and mount up the tires. Alright guys, got the tires mounted onto the new wheels. The wheels clear the big brake kit, no problem. This is a 355mm big brake kit, ST60 Stop Tech kit, and it clears no problem. And here's the back setup. So the good thing about the 18 by 10 ET25 offset is that I don't have to run spacers in the back for looks, and I don't have to run spacers in the front to clear my O-rings. So this is a spacer-free setup. One less thing I need to worry about. 18 by 10 square, ET25, 275/35, 18 Nitto NTO1 tires. Can't wait to try this out on track in a few days. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.